Florist's secret to having fresh flowers for a month without rotting. Blooming flowers always bring a fresh and brilliant beauty that makes everyone fascinated, but unfortunately, that joy often passes too quickly. Just a few days later, the petals begin to wither, leaving behind a lot of regret. But don't worry, today I will reveal to you an extremely simple secret to help flowers stay fresh for a whole month while the water in the vase remains clear, without any unpleasant odor. This is easy to do. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. You can use a glass vase, ceramic vase, or even a copper vase. If you have a copper vase, that's even better. Fill the vase with filtered or distilled water, about 1/3 to 2/3 full. Avoid using tap water as it may contain chlorine or chemicals that can harm the flowers. Next, choose fresh flowers. The petals should not be crushed or wilted, and if there are buds, they should only be slightly open. Freshly cut or newly purchased flowers are best. When choosing flowers at the market, look from the base up. Fresh flowers will be firm, and the leaves at the base will be intact and green. If the flowers are old, the leaves at the base have often been cut off by the seller to make them look nicer. Then, trim the flower stems to fit the vase and the arrangement you want. Instead of cutting across the base, use sharp scissors to cut at a 45-degree angle. The diagonal cut will help increase the contact area for water absorption, helping the flowers absorb water more easily and stay fresh longer. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Next, remove the leaves that are below the water level in the vase. This prevents the leaves from rotting, polluting the water, causing the flowers to wilt quickly. The leaves decompose quickly and make the water dirty, making it difficult to keep the flowers fresh for a long time. After preparing the flowers, do not rush to put them in the vase. First, prepare the ingredients. Start with dish soap. Add a few drops to the vase, not too much. Stir well. Dish soap helps kill bacteria, deodorize, and keep the water in the vase from smelling bad. Next, add a spoonful of sugar. If the vase is large or has many flowers, you can add sugar. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Sugar provides nutrients and energy for the flowers, helping them stay fresh and beautiful for a long time. It also helps the flowers absorb water better and prevents wilting. In addition, sugar also supports the photosynthesis process, helping the flowers maintain their bright colors and freshness. Next is a very important ingredient to help keep flowers fresh for a long time. That is copper wire or any copper object such as coins, copper pieces, or best of all, a copper vase. If the copper wire is dirty or rusty, gently rub the surface with sandpaper or a scrubbing pad to clean it. This will effectively release the copper ions into the water. You can also use copper wire. bend the wire into a spiral or decorative shape, or leave it straight. Place the copper wire in the jar, making sure it is completely submerged in the water. Now you can start arranging your flowers. Make sure the base of the flower is submerged in water and in contact with copper. So how can something that seems unrelated help flowers last longer? The main cause of wilting and rotting flowers is bacteria and mold. They grow in the water of the vase, blocking the water absorption vessels in the flower stems, preventing the flower from absorbing water and nutrients, leading to dehydration and rapid wilting. Copper is a metal with natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. When copper is placed in the vase, a small amount of copper ions are released into the water. These ions act as natural disinfectants, killing or inhibiting the growth of bacteria and mold. This keeps the vase water clean and clear, creating the best conditions for the flowers to absorb water and stay fresh longer. In addition, copper ions also help maintain ventilation in the water veins of the flower stems. Some studies have shown that copper prevents clogging caused by bacteria or dirt, allowing flowers to absorb water and nutrients better, thereby extending the freshness and life of the flowers. With this simple method and easy-to-find ingredients, your flowers can stay fresh for a month. This is an extremely simple solution using familiar household items, helping you to enjoy fresh flowers for many days, even weeks. Even when you are away from home, you do not need to worry about wilted flowers or smelly water. What do you think about this secret to keeping flowers fresh for a long time? If you have better tips, do not hesitate to share them in the comments section so that everyone can learn. If you love flowers, try this method to enjoy their beauty longer without worrying about the water smelling bad. If you have a copper vase, just add sugar and dishwashing liquid and the flowers will stay fresh for a long time without rotting. If you want to increase the effectiveness of preserving flowers, you can add a small piece of copper wire to the vase every week. Thank you for watching and supporting. That's it for today's video. If you find it useful, please leave a comment, like, and share it with your friends and family so they can also know this tip. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next interesting tips. See you in the next video. Goodbye and have a great day!